Okay, honestly, I just want to switch to voiceover, because of this disturbing noise that's coming from the motor running down. I feel like every time I want to film, somebody will definitely go and turn the motor on. But I'm not gonna do that for this video. I'm just gonna talk to you how I am doing right now, and we'll see during editing if this noise is like really noisy. So back with our tutorial, and so for today's look, I want to start with this pink right here. We will go with slowly building this color, and then we will see. Also, if I'm looking suddenly funny to you, it's because I'm wearing concealer on my lids. I always do that before going in with the eyeshadows, so if I'm looking funny to you, that's why. Okay, so I'm going to dip my brush in this. I'm gonna take very little of this and tap the excess, and I'm gonna slowly build this color on in my crease. So first I'm going to pack this because I don't want it too strong. I just want a soft wash of color. Next we will go with a lid color, and for that I'm using my Makeup Revolution creative palette. Just give me a minute to open this. Okay, so the next color that I'm using on my lid is this color right here. It's called Divination. I'm gonna use this like with my fingers all over my lid. I told you it's gonna be very simple look. At the end of the video you'll probably be like, there was nothing to learn here. Why make a video about it itself? It's a beautiful light shimmery pink color. When you will use it, you'll definitely fall in love. Okay, so the next color which I'm going to use is this one. I'm going to use this in the middle of my lids just to add some extra shine and stuff. So we are pretty much done with the eyes. I will do lower lash line and other stuff after I have applied my foundation, concealer and other stuff. So I'll be just back in 2 minutes and we'll continue from there. Okay, so we are done with foundation, concealer, color corrector, and I also applied my lipstick, which is Nykaa Naughty Nude. The same lipstick I wear in every video because I'll be honest, I don't have a good amount of lipstick range with me. Like I have only basically a red, pink and a hot pink and an orange, only that. So that's why I wear the same lipstick in all my videos. Anyway, let's finish this eye look. Now what I want to do is, here's my palette. I want to take my pencil brush. It's not exactly a pencil brush, but it's something close to a pencil brush. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade again and just buff it in under my lower lash line, like here, entirely. I'm going to take that on this brush. I'm going to take my mirror and just buff it. Oh my god, her eyes are looking really pretty. Like, can you see how pretty this look is? Okay, next, with our next color, I'm gonna use this to shade it here in the outer corners. Now for liner, I just want to go out of my comfort zone and I really want to try a red eyeliner. It's gonna look awesome. So if this red liner thing fails down, you know what you have to choose. You have to choose a black eyeliner or no liner at all. No liner is good, yes. But just out of curiosity, I want to see how red eyeliner looks. So I'm gonna go with it. So I'm using a brush with this very thin tip, you can see. And I'm using this, what is this? NY Bay Miranda's First Kiss liquid lipstick. I'm gonna use this for my eyeliner because I obviously don't have a red eyeliner. And you have to be very careful with this one, okay? Do not try this if you are not practiced with using a brush like this. I'm gonna start at the very end of my eyes and I'm going to stick very close to my lash line. I ruined it. Awesome. See? I told you, do not use it if you are not practiced with using a brush for eyeliner. Oh, let's do this on the other side as well. Okay, this side is good, this side is not. But you can see that the red eyeliner looks so beautiful with this look, right? What do I do with this? I know the solution. I know how to fix this. Just wait. I'm gonna tell you. Let me also put it a little bit down here. No additional product. Simply using what's left on the brush. So if you fail with your eyeliner, just go with the lightest shade again and kind of keep it back on your lids. It's gonna overshadow it. See, right here? Doesn't look that bad right now. I'm going to skip my mascara because I'm trying to give my lashes a break from mascara. Like if you're using it too much, it can weaken and damage your lashes. So, and I have to like film a video like twice a week, so it's really not healthy for my lashes to bear mascara every time I have to film a video. But you guys, please do it. Mascara will add so much to this look, like a lifted, like a very beautiful look. Next up, we are left with blush. Okay, so I am going to mix these two to apply as a blush, dipping my brush like this and smile. A little bit on my nose because I'm into applying blush on my nose as well. So we're basically done, you can see. Also, I know my hair is a hot mess right now. I can never get my hair to look pretty. Makeup, yes, but hair, no. So you would have to see another video on some channel to really decide your hair look on the day, because I'm not good with hair at all. I suck at it. But I really like this makeup look. I think it's perfect for Raksha Bandhan. Anyway, let me know your comments. How did you like this look? And yeah, and any other video requests that you might have, please let me know in the comments. I would love to make videos on that. So yeah, this is it. Yeah. So I will see you next week. Until then, take care. Bye.